Hi, this is Kumari Berkmans. Today we are going to see where is the heart exactly located. See, actually the heart is located between the two lungs and slightly tilted towards the left side, and the heart is present inside a sac-like structure which is called as pericardium. So you can see here clearly, and this membrane is now cut open and you can see the heart very clearly inside. This is the coronary artery. Now let us see how this pericardium, and it is double layered, how this double layer are present and what is filled inside the pericardium. Now we see. So you can see here, this is the pericardium, this is the outer layer which is called as parietal pericardium, this is inner layer that's called as visceral pericardium, and in between you can see a space. The space is filled with the fluid that is called as pericardial fluid. Here you can see this is right auricle, this is left auricle, right ventricle and left ventricle. This is coronary artery, this is inferior vena cava and this is superior vena cava. What these two veins do in the sense, this vein that is superior vena cava which collects the blood from the upper part of the body, this is inferior vena cava which collects the blood from the lower part of the body. Inferior in the sense lower part, okay, superior in the sense upper part. So this blood vessel is called as vena cava. So you can easily identify the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. These two collects the blood from the lower part and upper part and shed into the right auricle. From here the blood carries to the blood from this right auricle come to the right ventricle. From the right ventricle it carries to left and right lungs through the left pulmonary artery and right pulmonary artery. Now the oxygenated blood is from the ventricle, it enters into the aorta, main aorta. This is otherwise called a systemic aorta, and from the systemic aorta it is distributed to the various parts of the body. This is notes for you, that is, where is the heart exactly located? Our heart is located between two lungs in the middle of our chest, behind and slightly to the left of our breastbone, that is sternum. Sternum in the sense which is present at the ventral side of our body. A double layered membrane called pericardium surrounds our heart like a sac. The space between these two pericardial membrane is filled with a fluid called pericardial fluid, which prevents our heart from different shocks. Third point, the outer layer of the pericardium surrounds the roots of our heart's major blood vessels and is attached by ligaments to our spinal column, diaphragm and other parts of our body. Fourth point, the inner layer of the pericardium is attached to the heart muscle. Fifth point, a coating of fluid separates the two layers of membrane, letting the heart move as it beats. That is, coating of fluid in the sense the pericardial fluid, which is present between the two layers of pericardium, makes our heart to move very easily. Thanks for watching as well as subscribing. Thank you so much.